Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and we have a new series. And so yeah, welcome. I know there's noise at the beginning of my video, and I think I'm going to go on Amazon and order a microphone and see if that will help. I don't know how much they are. I don't even know what kind to use. If you have any ideas, please let me know. Okay, hi, it's me, Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. Let's move this out of the way. When you see this, it's me. So, we are going to do a new series. We are going to do a page layout out of this album for this album on a daily basis. And I'm going to show you what's in the kit and tell you all about it. And then we will uh, go forward. If you don't have this kit, you still want to watch because you're going to get ideas. And if you want this kit, it is on HSN for $50 right now. I paid $100 for everything. So, wow. So, and I have two of them, one for each of my granddaughters, one for Adelaide and one for Cora. So, yeah. So here is the album. It's an Anna Griffin, and it is called Simply Wildflower Meadows Scrapbook Kit. And everything you need is in here, and we'll go through it. And here is the album. It's a 12 by 12 album. She gives you 10 page protectors. I go ahead and put two more in. I talked about this a while back. I wanted it to have a year, so I did 12 page protectors. I put two extra in. I bought the page protectors from Amazon, and I bought We Are Memory Keepers because they are very good quality, and I know memory keepers are. But you may only want to do the 10 pages when I'm doing 12. Okay, so here's all the embellishments that come with it. And so I am going to take these and I will put them on each page so that we have enough to go through the whole book or album. And so each day when I do a page, I will show you what ones I pull out and how many to get, and we will have enough to do the whole album. She does give a idea sheet, and I don't ever look at it really because when I look at other people's work, and I'm asking you to get ideas from me, when I look at other people's work, a lot of times it stops me from thinking about what I want to do. But there is beautiful ideas that you can just follow this, but there's not a full big album. So it's not full. So we will maybe go and do a couple of these. I don't want to copyright anything, so I don't think I will. In fact, I know I will not because I don't want to copyright. But I mean, this is what it's for. She wants us to use it. And if you have this kit, you can use it too. So it's not copywriting. So yeah. So it comes with all these peel away sticker font names and words and letterheads. It comes with the 12 by 12 strips of decorating. I forget what this is called. Darn it. I don't see what the name of it is, but you know the decorations. These are photo and journaling. No, well, these are the journaling tags she gives us. These are the photo mats. And look at all the photo mats in there. There's quite a bit. There's 3 different sizes. Then we have our own tape. Like I said, you don't need anything. We have our own pop dots. And then we have all the gold sticker embellishments. So now, remember, I'm going to go through this and I'm going to balance it out throughout the whole series. So if there is 12 pages, and then this one, it's going to be 13, including this one, 14, including me a project share. So there's going to be 14 videos. So here is the album, and I already put in the pages that I want to do. So when you have this and you want to follow along, then go ahead and put your pages in like me, or do whatever you like, whichever pages you like. We have all these white ones that we will use our dies, and we're going to use Anna Griffin dies because this is an Anna Griffin project. And we are going to use this. Don't throw it away. It's good cardstock. And we're going to use this on some of the pages for embellishments. These are the pages we have left over. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages left over. And remember, I added 2 of the plastic sheeting covers. So what I'm talking about is this comes with 10 of these plastic sheetings, and I added 2. So I have in here half of them, or more than half, it's a double-sided paper. So since it's a double-sided paper, I am going to scrapbook on the front, and then if it's a double-sided, I'm going to scrapbook on the next. So I use this sheet first, and the back side is the blue. But because this is the front, I had to put it in the back so that it matches. Okay? So you want the front and the back to match. But I didn't want to start off with blue here and then have blue here too, because we're going to use the blue here too. So on the first one, I did use a second sheet, and that is the paper that is on the back. So we have 2 sheets on this one, and I took the white out so that it doesn't get the white cardstock. I took that out. It comes in all of them. I took that out because we want the extra space. So that's the first page. The second page is the green to match this page. So the first page is we are going to do maybe a family picture. The second page is going to be a double page layout, and this is going to be the green. Now, if you have all your pictures portrait, but then when you gift it or you go to put your pictures in and they are landscaped, well, you take your paper. Let me just get a piece of paper. Yeah, you take your paper and you have it, and we have the photo frames. Let me show you. This is the first trick I want to show you. So here we go. We have our layout, and they are portrait. But then when you go to put it in, you find out it's landscape. Just turn your paper, and then it becomes the right direction, and then you don't have to change anything. So that is going to be a nice little trick we have. So we're not going to worry about which direction we put these as much. Okay? Okay. So there's one trick. Okay, the second trick was we're using the same paper back to back. So we use the green, and we only have 1 sheet of paper of green, and then this was the next color. So I found the next color, or next page that matched it. So it's a double page layout. Say the kids are playing outside at the park. So a double page, you have 3 pictures here, 2 here, or 3 and 3, however you want. We are going to be saying this is today's project. This is today's activity that we did. That's a double page layout. The next one is, what is the back? Okay, so the next one was green because we already used it. I had to cover it up. So it might be like every other one. So there is what it is. It's a pink squares on the back, and then pink here. So then we have the pink. Then that same paper on the back is right here. So we only have 1 sheet here. So we save on paper, and that's going to be great when we save on paper because we're going to be able to cut the paper in half, and we're going to be able to add it and use our extra papers for decorations. Or if we want, we could always add more plastic pages because is 12 mine, yours is 10, is 12 going to be enough? Okay, so then we already used the pink back here, so we couldn't do it again, so I chose this one, and it is a gray blue, and that is the gray on this. So there it is. So then this one is covered up too, and that's the green on the back, and then that is dragonflies and pictures. This one is, see how I said it was the green on the back? So here is the green on the back, the green on the back. So you can see green on the back. Then this was the dragonfly again. And again, we do 2 dragonflies. We did. Let me think. I think I'm going to keep it, and when we get to that, we will use some of the papers, and we will like cut it in half, and we will definitely change that out. So this to me looks like gray, and this to me looks like white, but let me make sure. That is green, and this is pink. So that's not matching. So I'm going to figure out how to fix this. That's a gray and that's a white. Let's think about that. I still may even keep it. Then we have the pink on pink because that's the back of this one. Then because we've already used that before of the white, we stuck this one in, and it's blue on the back, and it is really white with little flowers. Then there's the blue, and then there is the one that we used before. But this I'm not happy with because it's the same as this. So on this one, we will add a half a sheet of paper to not look the same. And on this one, we'll add a half a sheet of paper that won't look the same. So I'll make a sticky note for myself to do that so that it is coordinated. So yeah, that is what we're going to work on. Don't worry, we do have these papers, and we are definitely going to be using them. They're double-sided. We have 7 papers, but actually because they're double-sided, we have 14 to play with and make strips and different things to make this album. If you're confused, I will link down below where I did a series of the mini album. This is they had a Wildflower mini album, and I did that whole series, and then I added 2 extra pages, and we did a whole album, and I gave that album to my mom for her birthday in June. So you will have an idea of how I do each page. It's a 10-minute video each day, or every time I release it, and I show you the dyes I use. I show you what it looked like before and after. I'm going to do this album, then I'm going to do it again on video with you because I have 2 albums. So that's what is the next series coming up. I hope that you understand and you like my idea and you follow along. Please push subscribe and the bell so that you don't miss what I'm up to. Have a blessed day, everybody.